The first step is to take your braiding hair. Here it is. And I'm going to break it into little pieces. I like to have my pieces ready before I start to braid. That way I can just grab as I go. I'm going to do the same thing, braiding the hair in. But after 3 passes, I'm going to grab the curl and put it out of the way. And I'm doing that 3 times with 2 different strands, so for a total of 6 knots per braid. It gives you that bohemian look. But of course, the next step is going to be wrapping them so we can get some gorgeous faux locks. So this is what Kinky Hair Bulk looks like. It's in a little mesh container, and I like to just create little 1/2 inch to inch wide sections. Now that we've gotten to where the piece of hair is, I'm going to just clip this curl out of the way. Now I'm going to add a piece under the curl. And then I just give it a little lock. It's gorgeous. Very soft and manageable and very lightweight. Human hair is super lightweight. It says that it's 100% human hair, so I want to make sure that it can be dyed. We're gonna see. I love it, and as you can see, the curl pattern is still live and in effect, which is really important to me because I hate to lose my curls after I dye my hair. That is the worst. So yeah, I absolutely love this hair.
Today I'm showing you guys their new 100% virgin human bulk hair. And straight out the pack, this hair is extremely soft, tangle free, and just really nice to the touch. It has a lot of body and just a lot of movement. Another cool thing about this hair is that it can be dyed. And this is how the hair looks after it's been bleached and washed and conditioned. As you guys can see, it bleached really well. So I begin each braid by just braiding my natural hair down just a bit, and the first 2 pieces that I feed in are actually going to be 2 pieces of just regular Kanekalon braiding hair. I'm going to move on to the Ibiza hair. Ibiza is quality hair, especially for braiding hair. If you are a fan of goddess braids or faux locks, goddess locks, I think this hair is going to be perfect for you.